The realization of reality 1. The moment reality hits, there comes a moment in every human life when the truth stops whispering and starts roaring. A moment when illusions collapse, masks fall, and the world stops giving you the version of reality you prefer, and instead hands you the version you need. This moment is not gentle. It doesn't arrive wrapped in comfort or softness. It comes like a confrontation, demanding that you see things as they are, rather than how you wish they were. And in that moment you feel a shift, subtle yet powerful. It feels like waking up from a long dream, only to realize how much you ignored, how much you tolerated, how much you pretended not to see. Reality hits with precision. The people you trusted reveal their true intentions, the opportunities you missed replay themselves in your mind, and the version of yourself you believed you were suddenly stands small, next to who you truly are. Yes, the truth is uncomfortable. It stings. It shakes your confidence. But that discomfort is the beginning of transformation. When reality hits, it doesn't come to break you, it comes to break your illusions. And when illusions fall, clarity rises. 2. The pain of awakening. The realization of reality is rarely pleasant. It is the moment your heart learns what your mind always suspected. It is the moment you stop romanticizing situations, people, and outcomes that were never aligned with you in the first place. This pain is sharp, clean, and unforgettable. It is the kind of pain that doesn't just hurt, it teaches. It forces you to confront truths about who you allowed into your life, how much you tolerated, and how often you settled for less than you deserved. Awakening shows you the difference between someone's words and their actions, between someone who cares and someone who only pretends. And as painful as this awakening is, it is necessary. Without pain, you stay asleep. Without discomfort, you keep repeating the same mistakes. Without the sting of truth, you never grow into the person you were meant to be. This pain is not punishment, it is preparation. Preparation for strength, for clarity, for maturity. When you awaken, you no longer seek validation from the wrong places. You no longer chase what drains you. You no longer apologize for wanting peace. Pain opens your eyes, awakening strengthens your voice, and reality prepares your soul for evolution. 3. Breaking illusion and seeing clearly. The most powerful shift in a human life happens when illusions fade and clarity takes center stage. For years, many of us build stories about our relationships, our abilities, our future. We cling to these stories because they make the world softer and easier to live in. But illusions, no matter how comforting, are fragile. And eventually the truth cracks them open. The realization of reality brings clarity that is undeniable. Suddenly you begin to see who contributes to your growth and who blocks it. You see who respects you and who only uses you when it benefits them. You see which habits are destroying you and which behaviors are elevating you. Clarity is not just vision, it is power. When you see clearly, you make decisions with confidence. You stop guessing and start knowing. You stop hoping and start acting. You stop holding on to what hurts and start choosing what heals. Reality frees you from the expectations that never belonged to you. It frees you from people who were never meant for your path. It frees you from the weight of pretending. In clarity, you rediscover yourself, not the version shaped by society or fear, but the version sculpted by truth. 4. Rebuilding yourself with truth. Once the truth reveals itself and illusions fall away, a new chapter begins, the rebuilding of yourself. This phase is where strength becomes a choice, not a requirement. You start piecing together a version of yourself that is rooted in authenticity, resilience, and self-respect. You no longer build your identity around temporary emotions or external approval. Instead, you construct it on a foundation of truth. You begin to set boundaries without guilt. You begin to understand that saying no is not rejection, it's self-protection. You stop shrinking your voice just to keep others comfortable. When you rebuild with reality as your base, you don't return to your old patterns, because you finally see why they kept failing. You realize that healing is not about going back, it's about rising forward. You learn to detach from what drains you, to distance yourself from what confuses you, and to walk away from what disrespects you. Rebuilding is not an overnight process, it is a commitment to growth, to clarity, to becoming the strongest version of yourself. And as you rebuild, you begin to appreciate the pain that started it all. It didn't come to destroy you, it came to shape the new you. 5. Rising with power and purpose. The final stage of realizing reality is rising, not slowly, not quietly, but with intention and power. When you finally accept the truth of your life, your strengths, your weaknesses, your relationships, your past. You unlock a new level of personal power. You stop living reactively and start living intentionally. Every decision becomes sharper. Every boundary becomes firmer. Every step becomes purposeful. You no longer walk blindly. You walk with awareness, and awareness is a superpower. It protects your energy. It elevates your mindset. It sharpens your intuition. The world no longer confuses you, because you are no longer controlled by illusions. You have clarity, and clarity makes you unstoppable. Now you rise not for others, but for yourself. You rise because you deserve a life built on truth, not fantasy. You rise because you refuse to be fooled again by sweet words or false promises. You rise because you finally understand that the greatest freedom is seeing reality with open eyes. This is your rebirth, your evolution, your rise into strength, purpose, and self-respect. The realization of reality didn't break you, it woke you. And once you awaken, you never go back. Now rise. Your new life starts here.